That one backs up, okay? See, when you push this one forward, okay? Now wait a minute. And when you want to make a turn, see, look, you push this, see the wheels? Look, if you push the wheels that way, the car will turn that way. If you push the wheels the other way, the car turns the other way.
Okay, just like your gator.
Better. Back it up. Just back up.
She backed up. Not you.
I think the remote control controls her too. Turn the wheels toward you. There you go. Now go. Oh, you gotta keep turning it.
Where'd you find that, Rob?
Is that Cole crying?
They're not like.
Come on, Cole. Come this way. Come on, Cole. Bring the car.
You know how to do it.
Come on.
Move with your feet.
Come on. Move your feet.
Move with your shoes.
Hey, no.